I'm Roni Beauchamp, I'm the Healthy Living Manager with the Heart Foundation Victoria. The Heart Foundation believes that everyone should have access to environments that allow them to pursue a healthy lifestyle, and that means being able to access walking tracks and bicycle paths, being able to walk down the street and get all the fresh fruit and vegetables and the good food that they need to sustain themselves and to fuel their bodies right. Public transport and quick access to that really, really helps. We know that every public transport trip begins and ends with a walk or a cycle, and that's really good for our bodies and our hearts. We've been working in design for probably about the last 20 years, sort of really looking at how we build the environment that supports people to be more healthy. There's no point telling people to go for a walk if they haven't got a walking path to walk on, or you can't go for a bike ride if there's no bike paths. And we also need to make sure that they can access what they need through a really easy 20-minute walk every day. I think people's health is very much dictated by their environments. I mean, we've introduced a whole range of food that really doesn't fuel our bodies in the way that we should be doing it. There's lots of fast food, there's lots of processed food. It's very energy dense but nutrient poor. So, we really recommend that people go back to the basics of cooking and eating real food. The environment that you live in has an enormous amount to play on that, because if you can't access the foods that you need easily, or it's more readily available to buy fast food and it's cheaper to buy fast food, then that's what people will do. All of those elements come together to make sure that people can lead healthier lives. So it's not just an individual choice. We need to make sure the environment allows it to happen. I think people are very aware of the growing incidence of heart disease, cancer, diabetes, all of the chronic diseases that we're very concerned about. And they are actively looking for ways that they can make healthier choices. The Heart Foundation's really interested in making the healthy choice the easy choice. And that's why we've developed Healthy and Active by Design as a guideline or a series of guidelines for developers, for town planners, for town founders and council leaders to make sure that they're building communities that support people to be healthier. People know that they need to live healthier lifestyles and they're looking for easy ways to do it. Our role is to make the healthy choice the easy choice, and things like Healthy and Active by Design make sure that town planners and developers have all of the information they need to be able to put those principles in practice. I think not only is there growing awareness, there's a growing imperative because the community is going to demand it. They're looking for healthier options.